Captivating Mediterranean front yard landscaping ideas. When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, styles rival the charm of Mediterranean landscaping. This approach to front yard design artfully combines natural beauty with practical elements, creating outdoor spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also sustainable. By incorporating drought-tolerant plants and vibrant flowers, you can craft a stunning Mediterranean garden that thrives in various climates. Embrace the Mediterranean style. Mediterranean landscaping is characterized by its warm, inviting atmosphere and use of natural materials. To achieve this look, consider a blend of hardscaping and lush plant life. Incorporating stone pathways, terracotta pots, and rustic wooden features can add texture and depth to your front yard design. This harmonious balance between built structures and greenery creates an enchanting environment that beckons visitors. Choosing drought-tolerant plants. One of the hallmarks of Mediterranean gardens is their reliance on drought-tolerant plants. These hardy species not only conserve water but also thrive in the sunny, warm conditions typical of Mediterranean climates. Consider incorporating lavender, rosemary, and succulents for their aromatic qualities and vibrant colors. These plants, with their rich greens and blooms, can transform your outdoor spaces into a fragrant oasis. Adding a splash of color. To truly capture the essence of Mediterranean landscaping, infuse your garden with colorful flowers. Varieties such as bougainvillea, geraniums, and marigolds can provide striking pops of color against the backdrop of muted stone and earth tones. These vibrant blooms not only enhance the visual appeal of your front yard, but also create a welcoming atmosphere for guests and passers-by alike. Thoughtful hardscaping. Effective hardscaping is crucial in Mediterranean front yard design. Patios, walkways, and retaining walls made from natural stone or pavers can serve as functional yet beautiful elements in your landscaping. Creating defined areas for seating or entertaining can enhance the usability of your outdoor spaces, making them ideal for gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. Landscape ideas for a cohesive look. When planning your Mediterranean garden, consider the overall flow and harmony of your landscape. Grouping plants in clusters, mixing heights and textures, and using symmetry can create a well-coordinated look. Additionally, incorporating features like fountains or decorative tiles can add a touch of elegance and serve as focal points in your front yard design. Transforming your front yard into a Mediterranean paradise is not only a rewarding endeavor, but also a smart investment in your home's curb appeal. By thoughtfully integrating drought-tolerant plants, vibrant flowers, and cohesive hardscaping, you can create an outdoor space that reflects the timeless beauty of Mediterranean style. Whether you're hosting a summer gathering or enjoying a quiet moment of solitude, your Mediterranean garden will undoubtedly become a cherished retreat.